Welcome to Citadelle Oil, where nature meets innovation. Today, we take you on a fascinating journey of how our premium castor oil, perfect for hair and body massage, is made. It all begins in the heart of Haiti, where our dedicated farmers handpick the finest castor seeds. These seeds are the foundation of our high-quality oil, machines filling bottles with oil and sealing them. Next, the oil is carefully bottled using our precision filling machines. Each bottle is sealed to lock in the freshness and goodness of Citadelle oil. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and follow us on social media for more updates and tips. Citadelle Oil, where nature meets innovation.